If you want to get your air conditioner running smooth, knowing all the AC parts and what they do, especially the contactor, is a total game changer. So, the contactor is basically like the gatekeeper for your AC's power. It's a control relay that manages when electricity flows to the compressor and fan motor. When your thermostat kicks in, it sends a signal to the contactor to close the circuit, letting power through so your AC can start cooling. If the contactor is faulty or stuck, your AC won't turn on, or might keep shutting off randomly. To keep it working right, check it regularly for signs of wear like pitted contacts or a buzzing sound when it's running. If you hear weird noises or your unit won't start, replace that contactor. It's usually not too pricey and can save you from a bigger headache later. Also, make sure the wiring is secure and clean. Loose wires can cause shorts or prevent the contactor from activating. Remember, safety first. Always turn off power before inspecting or replacing any AC parts. One of the biggest issues with AC contactors is that people don't realize how often they wear out because they act like simple switches but handle heavy electrical loads. First, a common mistake is ignoring a buzzing noise or a warm contactor. These are signs it's failing and need attention before it shorts out. Second, some folks try to clean corroded contacts with sandpaper, but if the damage is bad, replacement is way safer and better for long-term reliability. Third, using the wrong size contactor for your unit or installing it incorrectly can cause the AC to trip breakers or not start at all. The fix? Always match the contactor specs with your AC model and get a pro if you're unsure about installation. That saves money and stress. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding reliable local contractors super easy for homeowners who want trusted pros to handle their AC repairs and installs. For contractors, it's a solid platform to connect with more clients and grow their business without the usual hassle.